Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti. I am the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Just finished co-teaching a masterclass on influence and persuasion with Oxford professor Owen Derbyshire. One of the topics we covered is how to present information effectively to persuade others. Let's listen to some of the key takeaways from participants on this topic.
I think definitely to remain yourself, to rest humble, and to know how to influence in the best way to not harm anybody else.
The first challenge is that we do not know what are the rules of the game to influence. So one of the ones that is more important for me is don't focus on advocating and argumenting your way through. Don't focus so much on pushing, instead try to pull and inquire.
The course has been really interactive. The people was participating, giving real examples. It has been a very good experience from a personal point of view. Also, the principles that I learned were applicable immediately to the real life. So tomorrow I will probably do something different.
And what I enjoy the most about this influencing workshop is the combination of first industry, so Giuseppe representing the industry, then having academic through a professor, and last but not least having a senior guest speaker to talk about office politics and influence. So plus all of that brought together with a lot of interactive exercises, a lot of examples that brought the topic home.